Hello people, I hope you're all having a really nice day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a website where you can use over 150,000 free and commercial use graphics for your publishing projects and more. So if you are new here, I want to extend my warmest welcome to you. My name is Ben and I like to bring out videos like this one on my self-publishing journey and all the hints, tips and tricks that follow. So if you haven't done so already, be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever I bring out videos like this. And also be sure to join my Facebook group. There's a community of over 1,000 self-publishers. We're all helping each other. We've all got the same goals. So it's really, really cool. And of course, if you don't know about it, then be sure to enroll in the Royalty Accelerator course, especially if you're looking to grow your business, to invest in yourself, to become a better publisher. There's some really hot tips in here. There's some really hot success and it's a really hot community. And if you click on the link in the description below, there should be a cool 20% off the whole course. There's so much that comes along with it. I couldn't recommend it enough. But guys, without further ado, let's get into this video. So if you hadn't already guessed from the tabs open at the top of the page, the website I'm going to recommend to you is called Open Clip Art. So Open Clip Art, they say they have over 161,000 clip arts and they do update their website regularly with 42 new clip arts in the last 24 hours. And it's not just full of what I would typically associate with a clip art. So my impression of a clip art used to be something like this scissor here with a green background, very simple graphics. But actually this website has a whole range of graphics. It's more broad than just clip arts in my opinion. You've got something very simple like this scissor, for example, but you've also got very complex artwork in here, such as this car, for example. So there is a really nice range and it just varies up as you scroll down. I think the best way that I personally use Open Clip Art in my projects is as a supplementary sort of thing. So when I'm working on a project for, a kid's book and it's a Christmas theme, for example, then I'll just use extra bits of graphics in there, in the background, for example, just to give it more of a theme. And sometimes you don't get the graphics that you want on Canva. So this is sort of my go-to place when I'm looking for secondary material to put in. So I wouldn't say you can make like a whole coloring book, for example, from this. But it's definitely very good for supplementing, an extra page or two into a coloring book, as you can see from some of the detail in the graphics below. Now, if I was just to click on this one, for example, you can see that there's two download options. You've got PNG, which is your normal image file. You can put that straight into Canva. You can upload it as it is. Or you've got this vector graphic as an SVG file. So you can actually edit every single graphic in there. They're all SVGs. You can put them through Inkscape. You can put them through Adobe Illustrator. You can put them through Affinity, whatever they call it in Affinity, and you can really edit the graphics. So if I wanted to change this into a yellow line instead of black, I can really do that. So that's pretty cool in that sense. But generally the coolest thing about this website is the licensing. So if I go back to the home page and I scroll down to the license here, basically, to summarize what they say, you can use these clip arts for commercial use and they are all public domain. They make it so easy to read their licensing here. So you can see on the top line here, we try to make it clear that you can use all clip art from Open Clip Art, even for unlimited commercial use. And if you want to know if they're available for print on demand, they have this chart and you can see commercial, non-commercial, and the permitted use. If we scroll down to print on demand is yes. So you can use anything in Open Clip Art for print on demand. You can use it for books as well. You can see books and book covers are covered here, in ebooks as well, which is covered in the next one down. I mean, there's some really strange things you can use it for. You can stockpile them if you wish. You can get a robot to download every single clip art on here for commercial use. Like, it's just crazy. So they really go above and beyond to give you free access to all these graphics on here. So it's really cool in that sense. You can literally just type something in the top, like Christmas, for example. You're going to get a lot of suggestions. You're going to have to sift through them, I suppose. There's going to be a lot of weird ones, like this one, for example, like maybe a template for you. But there are a few gems in here that definitely complement your work. There's a few detailed line drawings that I've used from here. And yeah, it's generally a lot of stuff. So go ahead and explore it if you've got some free time as well. It might be helpful for your projects and things like that. And rest assured that it's all public domain and commercial use. So you're not going to get, you're not running the rules with any website that you're using in the process. So that's really cool. But yeah, I hope this has been insightful for you. Hope you can find some uses with this open clip art. But otherwise, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Take care.